What if we could build the most equitable and inclusive New Hampshire where women, moms, and all families can thrive? One of the amazing things about Moms Rising is it's not just an organization for moms, it's an organization of moms. We tend to focus here on early care and education, maternal health, workplace justice, and everything else that moms care about. And then the other arm of our work is the Upper Valley Fellowship Program that helps grow power in community and grow parent voice. Over the past 20 years, 11 maternity wards have closed in New Hampshire, leaving only 9 birthing wards for all birthing people. In a time when maternal mortality is increasing ever more, especially for women of color, we need to be addressing these maternal health disparities and figuring out ways that we can save women's lives because women are dying unnecessarily. Childcare is an urgent need in New Hampshire. We've heard stories of many moms who are even on wait lists for childcare slots before they're pregnant. So they're making reproductive healthcare decisions based off of the availability for childcare. That's not where we want to be. I first watched Clarissa's battle through a national partner organization of ours, and I fell in love with the message. It's a documentary that follows a woman over the course of 10 years. Her name is Clarissa. She's a childcare provider turned grassroots organizer, and in Oakland, California, she builds this movement for childcare change. But she does it in such a beautifully inclusive way where she ensures that members of the community's voices are heard. It was a golden standard, frankly, for me about inclusion and about what that should look like in communities. We held screenings throughout June and September in Manchester, Nashua, and Lebanon. We had diverse groups of families. We had non-English speakers, families of color, grandfamilies, uncles, caregivers, and really a diverse group of folks who came to the table to figure out ways that they could engage with the childcare movement. We don't make it easy for folks to participate in changing their communities. The legislative session happens during the coldest months of the year when the weather is the most treacherous. We live in rural communities where the roads are not always safe to drive. Hearings are held during the workday when most families are not available. I think right now a lot of folks feel really disincentivized to participate. They don't feel like their voices are heard. They don't understand their power. And what if they knew what we knew, which is like together, the collective power of all of us, we have the ability to change everything.